gotta be them little ones in there. Ah, one more cast on this side. Go check the other tree then. This, you don't get in there on this cast. On that side of the tree. Try that side of the tree. Oh, daddy. He ran up on that tree. He's still on there. There you go. Come on, that tree. There you go, biggie. There you go, one. Come on out of that tree. Come on out of that tree. Look at that big old boy. God, don't it? Boy, you seen that one behind him? God damn. That one behind him, are you trying to eat him? That one behind him probably had to be about, he had to be 20 pounds. Shit. Oh, that was a good one though. That was a good one though. You can tell he was right around that darn tree. Yeah, I got a cramp in my leg. Pliers, eh? This shit ain't falling the live well. Yep, they fell in the live well. Got a few, about 5 or 6 crab in there. Some catfish. Oh. I'm glad the other didn't grab it. That was the other had to be 20. He might have been 30 pounds chasing that damn fish. All I seen was a damn shadow. He was huge. He was waiting on something to eat too. Let me see if he bite. He might not be over there no more though. Yeah, that was a big one though. Right there. Let me see if he over there. He chased that fish out of there. All I see is some black shadow up under there. I ain't get close enough to the tree. He might be on the other side. Yeah, the birds took a quick, fast and hurry. I gotta hurry up and get over there. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. This deer song should be sitting around there somewhere. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Speed up, boat. Speed up, boat. Let me see if it's a big enough sitting up on there. It's big enough on there today. Might not be none up on there. Ain't none on the outside. There you go. Yeah, I got him. I got a monster. I got a monster, y'all. I got a big one. I can't get him out there. Oh, I got a monster. I got a monster. Oh, I got a monster. Get my net ready. About 8 and 9. Let's get in the net. Oh, come back here, boy. Come back here. Come back here. Back here. Back here. Oh. Told y'all I had a monster. My gripper's there. Woo! Your teeth in your mouth is sharp. Fire space. You get a little scared, see how much you weigh. He about 12, like I said. They say 13, but I say 12. He about 12 and a half. This is the scale. About 12 and a half, y'all. It's a nice one. I knew something had to be still sitting there. Down the boat. Goodbye. Get in there with your friends. Can you get in there? Get in there with your friends. Woo. I know I had a monster. Get me another piece of bait put on there. Piece on here, see. I go in there and found a nut. There's something sitting over there. They're too good today. See, there's nothing over there waiting on some bait. Go to from that tree. Get a little bit closer. You gotta stand up and get in there. You gotta throw this thing in precise. You gotta get all in the tree. There we go, right there. So there's nothing sitting over there waiting on something to eat. There you go. I got him, y'all. I got him, whatever it is. I got him, nothing. I got another, y'all. I got another. He a big one too. He might be the same side of the here. Yep. He might be the same side. Come on up on the boat, boy. Oh, he might be bigger. Lord have mercy. He ain't gonna give up. Come on, man. Come on, man. Don't go up in the boat no more. Oh, come on back here. Oh, he bigger than that. Lord have mercy. Get in there. Woo! Lord have mercy. He bigger than the last one, y'all. Much bigger. Whew. Yeah, he bigger than the last one. Let me step my butt down. Rippers. Ah, cut all that out. Cut all that out. I'm gonna get the hook out. Yeah. Let's see what this one weigh, y'all. Y'all see that? God damn it. This motherfucker heavy. See what he weigh. He right there. Oh, be still, boy. Be still, boy. Now I tell you, be still. He got 17, maybe 18. Scale, need a digital scale, but he got 17, 18. Woo, I tell you what, got my arm tied now. I don't think I want to throw back in there no more. Woo. Get in there. Woo. That's it, y'all. I don't think I'm throwing back in there no more. I just want to get y'all a couple videos these catfish will be catching out here. I'm gonna throw back in there one more time. Make sure he ain't nothing sitting there now. If he big in there, I'm gonna let him go. I can't handle him. Probably need to retire. Let me get that right down the end right there. Woo! This one disappeared, boy. It's over. I'm tired now. We're in a 12 and 18 back to back. Yeah, got to be on careful. Gonna make some good nuggets, I can tell you that. Anything bigger, gotta go back. I think I see that. Pull it down it's too deep. Get up in there. There we go. Right next to the tree. Go and drift over there toward that tree. There's one sitting over there. You gotta do not disturb sound on this door. See y'all look at that damn, you can't see up in there cause it's so shallow over there. I don't think like 10 feet over there. They probably kicking up all that dust. You can't see nothing over there. The only thing you can do is cast and hold on. Might not be no more over there. Yeah, I think that'd be it for the day. Head back down the lake. Check a couple trees, put some crap on my way out here. Yeah, ain't no more there. Yeah, he hit good. He probably say, man, you just took my uncle and my cousin out of there. You think I'm gonna hit that? No, dude. Not today. I'm gonna give it to you one more time, cause it might be one just sitting there. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Not that rim. I knew it was gonna hit that rim. That wind caught it that time. That gust got me that time. I know my accuracy ain't that bad. Uh-oh, caught my rod from behind me. That'll do it. They over it.